Mr. Aiden, this is the AP Chemistry 2026 free response question number 7. This is the final question on the exam, the final 4-point question. And this was question number 7. The sodium metal reacts with oxygen gas to make sodium oxide. The reaction is exothermic, negative 828 kilojoules per mole. They gave us the standard enthalpies of formation. Obviously, there's only the Na2O is the standard enthalpy of formation. And it's a products minus reactants question. Very easy. Or you could just do a quick proportion, because in the reaction, negative 828 kilojoules per 2 moles of the Na2O to form 1 mole of Na2O would be half of that, negative 414 kilojoules per mole. Pretty easy. You could use products minus reactants or just your noggin, your brain. And then it says 18.4 grams sample of Na reacts with 12.8 grams sample of O2. What do we want to do every time we have grams? Divide by molar mass. 18.4 grams of Na is 0.8 moles of Na. There's only 0.4 moles of, that should be 0.4 moles of, sorry about that. That is 0.4 moles of the oxygen gas, And so, but take a look at the reaction. You're using 4 moles of sodium for every 1 mole of oxygen gas. So the Na will be the limiting reactant. So you're going to have to use the 0.8 moles of the Na. And in those 0.8 moles of Na, you're going to put that in a proportion. Look at the reaction. There's negative 828 kilojoules per mole of the reaction, per 4 moles of the Na. And we have 0.8 moles of Na is what we actually use. So you do some cross multiplying. That's a proportion. Negative 166 kilojoules of heat were released during that reaction. And so we're going to use the Na, obviously. Part C was finishing us off with lattice energy. You can see the Na2O has a greater lattice energy, 2481, compared to the Rb2O. Man, they love their rubidium in this exam. And they wanted to ask why. Well, using Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law deals with charges and the distances, the sizes. And so the oxidation numbers of sodium and rubidium are both +1. The oxygen is both -2. So the difference in the lattice energy depends on the size of the ions. The rubidium +1 has its valence electrons in a larger principal quantum energy level compared to the Na +1. This larger ionic size results in less attraction to that oxygen ion, less energy to separate these ions from each other. There's less Coulombic attractions between the rubidium and the oxygen compared to the sodium and the oxygen. And so that results in less attraction and a lower lattice energy. That's the 2026 AP Chemistry exam. Go to MrAiden.com for all your chemistry needs. See you guys. Bye.